Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to revise chapter 1. What is your chapter 1? It is numbers and numerations. So we can take page number 5 in your textbook, but in page number 5 it is just given a crossword puzzle that you don't want to learn now. So you can take page number 6. So after revising it, what you can do is you can take a rough note and start working out your problems. Okay children? In page number 6, they have given 5-digit number, 6-digit number. So what is the smallest 5-digit number? You can say me. What is your smallest 5-digit number? It is 10,000. What is your greatest 5-digit number? It is 99,999. Okay. Next, what is your 6-digit number? What is the smallest 6-digit number? It is 1 lakh. What is your greatest 6-digit number? 9,99,999. So this is what the definitions which is given, that you can read it. Once you can read and recall the concept. Any 1 mark question can come from this. Okay. Next, numbers on abacus. They will give you a number. We have to represent that number in abacus. Do you remember that? We have to draw these stripes and we have to put the circles. Yes, if 5 is given, you will put 5 circles. Do you remember? Then you will write the number name for that. They have given few examples that you can refer it. Okay children? You can take page number 7. In that they have given exercise 1A. What is the first question? Write the number names. They have given you a number, which means they have given you a numeral. We are going to write the number name. Okay, so what you will do? First you should write the place value above that number. So what is the number name for A question? 10,010. So you should write in words. Number names means you should write in words. That is our first question. Second question, write the numeral. Here words are given. We are going to write the number. Like digits you should write it. So numerals means what? You should write the number. Third question is what? Read the abacus and write the numeral and number name for it. So they have given you the abacus. We should write the number for that question and their number name. So that is what your third question. If you have any doubt, first you can take your fair note and you can refer it. Okay, okay children. Fourth question. Represent the following numbers on the abacus. Here they have given the number. We should draw the abacus and we have to write the circles and all. Right. Next, fifth question. Write the greatest 6-digit numbers in figures and words. What is this greatest 6-digit number? It is 9,99,999. So that we have to write in number as well as in words. Write the smallest and greatest 5-digit number in figures and words. The same thing. Then we have to do the sum of. Seventh question is what? What is the sum of the greatest 1-digit number and smallest 5-digit number? So we have to find greatest 1-digit number and smallest 5-digit number, and we have to do the sum. Sum means what? Addition. Okay. We have to do the addition of both. Find the product of the greatest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number. So you have to take the greatest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number, and we have to do the product. Product means what? It is multiplication. Next, what is the population of? If they have given a population of city, write numeral for it. Numeral means we have to write the number for that. 10th question. Find the price of a car or motorbike you have at your home. Write it in words as well as in figures. So ourselves, we have to take our cars or bikes amount, price. Okay, we have to write it in words as well as in number names. So this is what your first question. At least in a Roman letter you can leave 1 or 2 and you can write every questions and see. Okay, so you can work out everything so that you will get a clear idea about this exercise. Next, you can take page number 9 now. What is given? Indian and international place value chart. So what is the Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. After that, crore, 10 crore, which you will be learning in your next grade. Okay, 5th standard you will learn. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, then few things is given, right? See, 1 equal to 1 1, 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. That one list is given, no? That also you should learn for your 1 marks. Okay, what is our given? 1 equal to 1 1, 10 ones equal to 110, 10 tens is equal to 100 ones is equal to 100. That is, you should learn it. Example problems are given. Here in example problem, they have given you a number and we have to write it in words using what system? Indian system of numeration. Indian system, we will write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You will write it and you will write the words according to that. Okay, understood? Next is your international place value chart. What is your international place value chart? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, keep it in your mind, and based upon that, 2 example problem is given. Okay, next, periods means what? We are going to separate them using groups. You will separate the number by using commas, right? How you will separate? In Indian system, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. Like that you will separate in commas, right? So that's comma in between two letters or three will be there, no? That is our periods. So ones, tens, 100 is ones period. 1,000, 10,000 is thousands period. Lakh, 10 lakh is lakh period. Crore, 10 crore is crore period. Okay, then international system of numeration la ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. Like that 3 are you will separate it. So those 3's are our 1 period. So below that they have given one box type now. That is also very important. Okay, you should learn that. Okay. Next is you can take page number 11, exercise 1B. What is the first question? Write the number name using Indian place value chart. So we are going to write the number name for that question. Number name means what? In words you will write it. Words, okay? So in what system you will write? Indian place value system. So based upon Indian system you will write the number name. Write the number name using international place value chart. Up international place value chart means based upon that international system you should write the number name. Okay. Rewrite the sentence using number names instead of numerals. See in A question 7, 0, 7, 865. That is one numeral, right? It is a number. That you should write that number in words using what system? International system, and you have to complete that sentence. How you will write it? 7 lakh 7,865 people visited the science exhibition. Like that you should write it. Okay, fourth is your fill in the blanks. That you should learn. Based upon that previous box type problem was there, no? Based upon that fourth problem is also there. Okay, you should learn that also. Okay, children. Next you can take page number 12. What is it? Page number 12, it is given. It is about place value and face value. Place value means what? You will write that number with that place value. See, here is an example 70918. In that box they have given. So what is the place value of 7? 7, 10,000. So you should write that number into that place. Okay. So 7 into 10,000. Suppose 7 into 10,000, how you will write? 70,000 you will write it. Okay. That is what the place value. Okay, so if the place value of 0 is 0 and face value of 0 is 0, that keep it in your mind. Place value and face value of 0 is 0. So place value is nothing but product of a number and its place. Okay, so what is the place value of 100 in A question? Sorry, a place value of 9 in A question. It is 9 hundreds. Upon 9 into 100 you will write. So 900. Okay, so this you should keep it in your mind. Next is you can take page number 13. So in that in last page itself they have given about face value also. Face value I didn't tell you. Okay, you can take the previous page. In face value means if they ask you about the face value, you will write the same number. If for example what is the place value of 6 means 6 is the answer. Okay, so face value is always the same number. Okay, but place value you will product that number and write. Okay, in page number 13 they have given the how to read and write the large number. Usually we will separate them in periods. I have said about periods, how we will separate it? Ones, tens, hundred, comma. Using commas you will separate the periods. Group you will separate it. So that small group is called as periods. Here is example given down. Mark the period in 3, 4, 6, 5, 8, 7 and write the number name. So how we will separate it? Ones, tens, hundred, comma. For 1000, 10,000, comma. Like that you will separate the number. So that is our periods. Like if they asked you about the periods, you should separate it and write. Number name means you should write it in words. Understood? Next you can take page number 14, exercise 1C. First question is what? Write the following numerals in the place value chart. So for every numbers you should write the place value. Okay, for 7 you should, first A question you can take 663057. For 7 it is ones, 5 it is 50, 0 it is 0, 3 it is 3000, 6 it is 60,000, 6 it is 6 lakhs. Like that for every number you should write. Second is your fill in the blanks. Third question you should write the place value of the digit which they have asked you and face value of the digit which they have asked you. For both you should write place value as well as face value. Fourth question, write the place value of both threes. So here in that fourth question there are 2 threes. So for both the threes you should write the place value. Fifth question, we are going to write the place value for both 8 and we are going to compare which is greater. Okay. Sixth question, we are going to write the periods, and periods means what? Using commas you will separate it and write the place value of the circled digit. Seventh question, you are going to write the periods as well as the place value of the circled digit and you are going to represent them in abacus. Okay, understood? Today's class we have revised only 3 exercises which you can now take a rough note and you can work out every problems, at least in a Roman letter 2 or 3 problems you can work it out. Okay children, so you will get a clear idea about it. 3 exercises fully you should work out. I hope you all understood children. Thank you.